Welcome to another TOEFL Writing practice session. In this exercise, you will read a text and listen to part of a lecture. Your task is to summarize the information from both the reading passage and the lecture in writing. Let's get started. First, read the text on the next screen. Remember, you can pause the video, but try not to spend more than 3 minutes on the reading. Jot down the key ideas from the passage. Now, get ready to listen to the lecture. Make sure to take notes of the key points presented in the lecture as well.
Now let's talk about the impact of technology on communication, specifically addressing some of the negative perceptions surrounding this topic. While it is easy to focus on the challenges that arise from our reliance on digital communication, I believe that technology has fundamentally transformed the way we connect with one another for the better. First and foremost, let's acknowledge the sheer volume of communication that technology enables. In the past, keeping in touch with friends and family who live far away was a challenge. Today, we can send a message, make a video call, or share an update on social media within seconds, regardless of geographical barriers. This level of accessibility has revolutionized personal relationships, allowing us to maintain connections with loved ones across the globe. Moreover, technology has empowered individuals to form and participate in online communities. These digital spaces can provide critical support networks that may not be available in one's immediate physical environment. For instance, individuals facing similar challenges, be it chronic illness, parenting issues, or niche hobbies, can find each other online and share experiences, advice, and encouragement. Research indicates that individuals who engage in online support communities often experience improved mental health outcomes due to the shared experiences and camaraderie they find. In addition to facilitating personal connections, technology has also transformed professional communication. The rise of remote work has highlighted how digital tools can foster collaboration and teamwork. Platforms like Slack, Zoom, and Trello have become essential for coordinating projects and maintaining communication among team members, regardless of their locations. This flexibility not only enhances productivity, but also allows companies to tap into a diverse talent pool that was previously inaccessible due to geographic constraints. Furthermore, technology can encourage meaningful discussions and diverse perspectives. Social media and online forums allow individuals to engage with ideas and viewpoints from around the world. While it's true that the internet can sometimes facilitate the spread of misinformation, it also provides a platform for educated voices to share insights and foster constructive dialogue. Now, I recognize that concerns about technology's impact on communication do exist. Critics often highlight issues such as reduced face-to-face interactions, misinterpretations in text-based communication. These concerns are valid and deserve consideration. However, it's essential to approach these challenges with a mindset of adaptability rather than fear.
You will now have 20 minutes to respond to the writing prompt. Aim for about 150 to 225 words. For additional help, you can download the worksheet included in the description box, which contains a sample response to guide you.